Hello, I am Dishan Shah, the founder and director of Blue Phoenix Technologies Private Limited. We are an ISO 13485 certified medical device development company based in India with a portfolio of electrosurgical products for surgeries like hysterectomy, colectomy, cholecystectomy, etc. We are now planning to develop a new product with the support of highly prestigious institutions and experienced advisors that will revolutionize the field of capsule endoscopy. We have come up with REGIS, a recapturable endoscopic gastrointestinal imaging system which will reduce the cost of capsule endoscopy by at least 5 times, improve the imaging quality by a leap, and also protect and preserve our water bodies where the currently available solutions are disposed. The diseases we aim to target have plagued the Pilbara region and Western Australia since years, and we believe that our solution can make a huge impact in reducing the fatalities caused due to gastrointestinal diseases and related cancers. I hope that you will give us a chance to demonstrate our product for this challenge and provide a good quality lifestyle for infants and the elderly population. Thank you for listening to us. Have a nice day.